Did you hear about the weather? There's a storm coming.
I did.
It's our window. We'll leave tonight.
I'm ready. You got the wrench?
Yeah.
Just don't drop it, okay?
Are you kidding me? You think I'll do this climb again?
Let's hope we don't have to.
There's nothing to hope for. It ain't happening.
I can't believe I'm out of this shithole soon.
It's not over until the fat lady sings.
Oh, she's gonna sing. Trust me.
I sure hope so.
Cheated. How come you always get the aces? Hey, Eddie, okay?
Hey, Leo, get over here.
Oh, shit. Damn. We gotta bust this door open. Okay, on three. 1, 2.
Wait. Let's time it with the thunder.
Okay. Okay, sure. It's working. Just a couple more like that.
Oh, I love taking your money.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah.
See that tower?
Yeah.
That's where we're heading.
All right. Hey, oh, watch out.
Shit. Over there. Through the warden's office.
Come on, over here.
Real smooth. I hope nobody heard that.
I've always wanted to go to Africa.
Shit. Careful.
Did you see that Carson show last night?
Nah. Any good?
Great.
Who was on it?
Who?
Who were the guests?
I can't remember. I must be getting old.
You're just drinking.
There's the tower. Watch out for the light.
Shit. Better avoid the searchlight. Shit. Better avoid the searchlight. We can use that wire. We just need something to slide down with. Damn, that's pretty high. They're shooting at us! Go, go, go! The fuckers are shooting to kill! Don't stop! Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something.
What's that?
Back in the prison, when we climbed that shaft, you know, the back-to-back thing?
Yeah? What about it?
Did you really do that when you were a kid?
No.
What?
I saw it in a comic book once, when I was a kid.
Tell me you're joking.
No. I'm just glad it worked.
Oh my God. I can't fucking believe you talked me into it.
Me neither.
Here. Come on. There. All right. Shit. The chopper?
Yeah. Seems like we really pissed them off. They're using everything they've got.
We have to be careful. I'm not going back in. Come on. Oh, shit. Cops everywhere. We gotta watch out.
Yeah.
I don't think they'll see us in the bushes.
That went better than expected.
So there's 3 guys?
No, 2.
How did they escape?
What do I look like? A newscaster? Just keep looking.
Shit.
Well, thanks for the
Let's
help,
take
dude.
them out at the same time.
Freeze! Don't move!
1095, we got one, sir.
Oh, shit.
Stay down.
So there's
Need to
3
work
guys?
together to get past
No,
them.
2.
How did...
Stop, or I'll shoot!
Asshole! 1095, we got one, sir. So there's
Shit.
3 guys?
No.
Let's take them out. Careful.
Okay.
Damn. How many cops are out here?
No clue. Just keep your head low.
Let's just keep our cool and they won't see us.
I'm always cool.
We got men here, here, and here.
What about there?
No, I need you to get Johnson over there.
Well, if I send Johnson, we're gonna need some more men.
I've requested backup from the sheriff.
All right, I'll send Johnson.
That's where we need to cross.
Yeah, seems like the only way.
How long do you think we'll be out here?
However long it takes for us to catch the damn fugitives, I guess.
And they're probably hiding under a rock somewhere anyway.
When we catch them in the morning, they won't go far.
I'm gonna rough them up if we catch them, forcing us to be out here in a damn storm.
Real tough guy.
Anything beats being out here.
We'll catch them soon. We always do.
Bridge is coming up. I hope we can get across.
Yeah, man, we got this. God damn it.
Hey, let's go that way. We should be able to sneak under the bridge.
What? No, it's way too high. Too risky. I say we take that guy out. Take his car, cross the bridge.
What are you, crazy?
Don't like heights, man, okay? I'm telling you, this is gonna work. Just jump in the back and stay low.
I'll give you credit when we cross the bridge.
Come on, move, move, move already.
push,
Stay
Marlock.
quick.
We gotta keep some distance.
Stay
from
on
them.
course. You got this.
Right.
You got it.
Watch out for that car.
Damn it.
Got any other bright ideas?
Relax, I got this. Concentrate on staying out of sight.
I have a bad feeling about this. He's too close.
Just keep your head down and relax.
Fine. Don't do anything stupid.
Who's that? Who's in that car, huh?
Over there!
Out of the way! Hold on, Vincent! Oh, Run, run, run! Fucking dogs! Are you serious? They're too fast, man! Just keep running! Oh, trust me, I'm not stopping. That's for sure. God damn it, they're catching up on us! Oh, shit! I think I see a cliff up ahead. Hurry up! I hate dogs! I hate fucking dogs! I hate you! Let me go! Let me go! Ah, shit! Come on, Leo!
Shit! Damn it! Almost had him.
يا أخي هي جميلة بس هذه خطرة وكبيرة جدا.
حلوة كثير يا صديقي.
شنو تعتقد أنت مهتم بهذا الشيء وشنو أقول لك؟
غالية كثير.
أني أتفق معك.
واه شيء خطر.
Hey, just tell him this is the deal. You either take it or don't. Got it?
يا أخي هذا ما يقبل ينزل السعر. أنت لو تشتري لو لا.
شيء غير معقول. احنا نتحمل الخطر. هذا لازم ينزل السعر.
He says no. It's too much risk. The price must come down.
That's not gonna happen.
But listen.
It's not gonna happen.
Harvey, I need to talk to you.
Wait. You got it?
It's important. You need to hear this.
Look, take the deal or stop wasting my time. All right?
Yeah.
What's up?
Leo busted out of prison.
What?
I just got the call.
Isn't he supposed to be dead?
Our guy fucked up. Got himself killed by the guards.
Good for nothing, piece of shit.
I'm sorry, boss.
Look, Sean, you need to find him, okay?
Yeah, but I'm not sure the men we have right now are
Not
gonna...
my problem. You just need to find him. You got it? I don't give a fuck how, just make it happen.
Yes, boss.
So you decided?
Yes. Price down or no deal.
Okay, no deal.
Damn. I'm hungry.
Me too.
I even missed that shitty food we got back in the joint.
I wouldn't say I miss it, but I definitely eat it.
Yep.
Anyway, let's head on. We should find something on the way.
Man, I'd die for a burger.
Well, I'll let you know if I find a burger joint.
Yeah, you do that.
Hey, Leo, help me out. You got it? Yeah, I got it. Wait. Leo, there's a camp down there.
Yeah, but it looks empty.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Let's check it out. Maybe there's something to eat there.
All right.
You ever go camping, Vincent?
A few times, when I was a kid.
With the old man?
Nah, my uncle, actually.
And you liked it?
Yeah.
Who wants to sleep outside on the cold, hard ground when you got a perfectly good bed at home?
Each sleeping in a 9x5 room with bars, though.
Well, you got that right. But seriously, though, why risk it?
Risk what?
Wild animals, bugs, no civilization, no toilet paper.
Fresh air, no one bugging you, cooking over a fire. It ain't all bad.
Maybe not, but still, no toilets.
Well, that's the charm with it.
I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire.
Almost there.
Should be able to make a spear with this knife. Just a little more. God damn it. I'm a natural, baby.
Not bad.
I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire.
I should be able to find some wood over there. That ought to do it. I should be able to find some wood over there.
That tasted like shit, man.
Well, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah? And my fucking feet hurt. What about yours?
I'm good.
So you're a tough guy, huh?
Well, it's not like we have much of a choice here.
Yeah. By the way, what are you in for?
Something I didn't do.
So you're innocent, huh? Well, aren't we all? I'm innocent too, you know.
Yeah, sure you are.
What about family? You got any?
Yeah. A wife. I hope. You?
Me too. And a kid. Alex. Fucking miss him, man.
Yeah, I hear you.
That piece of shit Harvey's gonna get what he deserves, let me tell you that.
So, let's go after him. Together.
Look, Vincent, I need to know what your story with Harvey is. Okay?
All right. I was a regular guy with a boring bank job. One day my brother brings in a new client, Harvey.
Let me guess. Money laundering.
Yeah. Money was easy, but Harvey just kept coming in with more and more cash, and I couldn't handle it. It was too risky, so I told him I wanted out. He killed my brother as a warning. After that, I lost it. I planned on killing him, but the son of a bitch pinned it all on me. I was convicted for the murder of my own brother.
Wow. That's fucking rough, man.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So, what's your story with Harvey?
You fucked me over, that's for sure. Maybe we're gonna... Wait, you hear that?
Ah, shit. They're closing in. We gotta move.
Ah, my fucking feet.
Just suck it up.
Don't worry about it, I got it, okay?